en route to find a coffee shop.
I'm so sorry. And it's still cute.
Dude, that looks so good. Harvey's got the falafel breakfast. No, wrap.
Eggs and bacon.
Oh, no.
Like breakfast.
Kirsty, what have you got?
I got the 7G eggs benedict.
Nice.
Hash
Seamus.
browns.
That looks good.
And obviously Becca's got her gluten-free muffin.
I got a nice coffee.
Nice. We're getting cheese. That looks so cool.
Fresh orange juice.
One of you.
Alright, guy.
It's like doing a
What do you think?
It's not bad.
He was freshly like doing them though.
Yeah. Just sugarcane on its own is nice. But
Yeah, it's quite nice actually. I like.
I know it's raining, but I got my sunnies on because I want to enjoy the sunshine. And I'm with these guys again. I kind of did jinx it today, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
I jinxed it big time. This is all my fault. It's okay.
So these places look nice.
Yeah. Also, we are en route to find this nice bougie place that we're gonna have dinner at, and Cole is on a mission.
Better be nice.
Yeah. We still haven't found a place to eat yet, and this is for dinner, right? So we're still cruising the town of Porto and being happy, and
We're so happy.
we're so
I
happy.
miss static. We're so happy.
So happy. Woo. More stairs. It's good. I'm getting a leg day in. Nice.
What did I do to start to yourself?
Come on, Jemila. We got this. Guys.
It's never ending.
Yeah, again.
How they're doing it. My other like show-offs.
Feel my
Simple.
Feel my
Oh, and you running a half marathon.
Oh yeah. Guys, if I can't hardly climb up all these stairs and I'm out of breath, how am I meant to do a half marathon in September? 13.1 miles. Yeah. It's good. Got the tree. The stairs literally went all the way down there and around the corner, then down again. Yeah, let's see the corner. It's not stairs, it's just hilly. We should reach the top. This is what I'm working with. This is basically it. Just a steep, steep hill to the metro station. You know, this, yeah, the slow group is back together.
For 3 seconds.
Oh. This kind of reminds me of the time when we took the barrel bikes in Bournemouth, around the Bournemouth beach. Then we tried to get up that zigzag.
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. The most painful thing. No, this is the most painful thing. That's the second most painful.
Keeps going. It's basically
I get
we're working
10 is probably over you though. Yeah, no, it's fine. I think I need to do a break now.
yo. Oh, So in Porto, in public transport, you need to wear a mask. And there was us. I felt quite shameful, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I felt so embarrassed.
Yeah, I just had to look
stared
down.
at the
There was some stairs though.
Yeah, I just tried to look at the ground.
There was some stairs. I feel seen.
Yeah,
I felt
exposed.
seen.
Very exposed.
So I was just looking at the ground. Jemila was trying not to laugh.
No, I was trying to couple myself with my jacket.
We came home and we ended up crashing. We just all ended up having like a half an hour introvert time. And then I ended up falling asleep for I don't know how long. And now we're all getting ready to go and look for a place to eat. Because... oh, okay. We're gonna have Thai food. Today's day 3 and so far it's going good. Enjoying it so far. It was a bit wet today, wasn't it, Harvey? We both were.
Yeah, I'd say torrential to be honest,
Yeah.
but I embraced it. I loved it.
Yeah, same. See, I didn't even use my coat properly. I just had it on my side.
I didn't have a coat, I was walking around in a t-shirt. And
Yeah,
shorts, and
it was really good.
It was great.
It was a whole vibe, just
Yeah.
enjoying nature in Portugal. Well, they are fully booked, so wait there for 15 minutes. It's okay.
Get your fingers around it.
Oh, you got sauce as well.
Thank you.
Nice. Thank you. Dude, that looks so good.
Fried chicken.
Nice, bro. What's the verdict, bro? What are you saying? What's the vibe? How's that, Harvey? Nice? Waiting for a ceviche, Jemila. Yo. My food. Food.
So is it 10 pieces each? Let's just read the photo of the pizza.
You guys have to send these.
Let's see, what can you eat off of this?
I can eat that.
Yo. Dude. So Beth, what's the vibe right now?
I don't know, it doesn't have anything else.
Explain why is this important?
This is my first ever McDonald's.
Nice.
Yeah, okay, ready? Big one.
Ooh! Nice.